All right, everyone. Today we are talking about the healthiest foods to include in your diet to live a long and healthy life. First, protein. It is a really common misconception out there that protein is only for weight gain. It is not. Protein is just another source of calories for your body. In general, protein is good because it fills you up and it keeps you full for a long time. You'll find protein in most animal products, including poultry, meat, dairy, and seafood. And you can also get protein from plants, such as beans, seeds, soy, and peas. So one reason protein is so good for us is because it is a key component in muscle repair and muscle recovery. A general rule of thumb is to eat roughly 0.7 grams of protein per pound of your body weight. So let's say you weigh 200 pounds. Get about 140 grams of protein in every day. And that's just a base number. If you're working out, especially if you're doing strength training, you will want to increase that number even more. Working out causes muscle tears, and as you recover from a workout, protein from the foods you eat will help rebuild and repair them. And this all happens for hours and hours after your workout without you even realizing it. This also keeps your metabolism working quickly, which will help you burn those fat cells for energy while your body is recovering. So protein is essential for a healthy diet. A lot of protein sources are also really low in sugar. Thinking about things like chicken and turkey, ground beef, fish. These high protein, low carbohydrate foods are great for regulating blood sugars. They don't cause huge spikes in insulin, so they won't leave you craving sugar, which, makes healthy eating plans way easier to stick to. So protein is the number one thing to focus on when you're trying to get into a healthy eating routine. Get protein in at every single meal if you can, and this includes breakfast. The easiest three options I always go for are eggs, Greek yogurt, or plant-based protein powders. And you can put that in oatmeal or in a breakfast smoothie or something like that. So that is all about protein. Absolutely my top recommendation for healthy eating. Next up, fiber. Fiber is found in plants, and fiber is actually the part of the plant that our body does not digest at all. So it moves through our system with volume, making us feel full and satisfied. Some fiber will actually attach itself to cholesterol molecules in our gut, and it actually removes them from our body before it even hits the bloodstream. Fiber is also the main source of energy for the trillions of different bacteria in our gut. And the bacteria in your gut will reduce inflammation. And this is important because your body needs to be in balance in order for you to make sustainable, lasting, healthy changes to your diet. So keeping inflammation down can reduce those confusing signals that your body sends to let you know that something's not right. These signals are often confused for cravings or hunger and can really throw off a diet or a food plan. So fiber is your friend when you're eating healthy. The best sources of fiber are oats and whole grains, beans and legumes, leafy greens like Brussels sprouts, and also things like flax seeds as well. Fiber is also available in supplement form, but I would be careful with that. There's very little evidence about whether it's actually an effective source of fiber, especially when compared to naturally occurring fiber in whole foods. The bottom line is, increasing fiber-rich foods is a great way to keep yourself feeling full, and it reduces the risk of digestive issues that can derail your healthy eating plan that you're trying to stick to. All right, so another food to consider when you're trying to eat healthy is avocados. Let me tell you, I love avocados. They are versatile, they're delicious, they're packed with nutrients and minerals for just overall great health. Avocados are a fat, which is much higher in calories by volume than carbohydrates or protein. But because it's a fat, it helps you feel full for much longer. In fact, it actually takes your body over twice as long to process the fat in avocados as it does to process carbohydrates. So not only is the fat a slower processing food in your digestive system, but avocados are also high in fiber. And we just talked about the benefits of fiber, so you know that fiber fills you up and it reduces inflammation. And this means that avocados are basically working double time to help you stay full and reduce cravings. Not only that, but its low sugar level will keep your blood sugars under control and avoid insulin spikes to cause those diet-destroying sugar cravings. So definitely adding half an avocado on your salads or with your grilled chicken breast or even on lettuce wraps and tacos is a great way to increase your overall health. Now let's talk about water. So obviously water isn't a food, and this might seem like an unfair addition to my list, but water is, it's so important. Your body needs to get enough water to remain in balance. If you're dehydrated, your digestive system cannot function properly and your metabolism cannot work efficiently, and this will throw off any healthy eating plan and make it very difficult to stick to a diet or a lifestyle change. It's also pretty common for us to mistake dehydration signals for hunger signals. Our body can't always tell the difference between those two signals. So drinking enough water throughout the day lessens the amount of red flags that your body's throwing out at you. This just helps with overall staying on track with any healthy eating plan that you're sticking to. The less drastic or extreme situations we put our body in, the better. This includes water intake. Keep your body hydrated and your body will remain happy and balanced. Okay, so we have covered a lot today. Our first food group for healthy eating was protein, like chicken, ground turkey, lean red meat, seafood, and eggs. Next was fiber, getting more leafy greens, oats, flax seeds, and vegetables to help you stay full and keep your gut happy and healthy. Next, we talked about avocados. Eating avocados in moderation gives you healthy fats and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. And then lastly, we talked about the importance of water to help us maintain a balanced diet and keep our digestive system working efficiently. Let me know what you think about all that in the comments below. And until next time, be well, everybody, and I'll see you soon.